Deep in the tropics, where patterns are written by time, begins a journey from scale to stitch.
In the world's tropical rainforests, snakes glide through an ecosystem alive with motion and sound.
Snakes play a crucial role here, keeping the balance among countless small species.
Each environment shapes the skin's texture and pattern, nature's fingerprint on every species. It is curved, yes, sir. In villages bordering the forest, trained collectors work under strict permits to locate non-endangered snakes.
Guided by generations of knowledge, they read the signs of the forest, a shed skin.
Every capture follows strict welfare guidelines ensuring minimal stress. Respectful handling preserves both the animal's dignity and the integrity of its skin.
Across the region, licensed farms raise snakes under monitored conditions. Here, science and tradition work to fit the SIDS.
Once collected, the snakes are transported to regional centers where data and documentation ensure traceability.
At these centers, every specimen is recorded by species and origin before export. Traceability safeguards both commerce and conservation.
Transport is carefully controlled to maintain ethical standards and material quality.
Timing is crucial. The skin must be cleaned and preserved within hours of arrival. Salt draws moisture from the hide, locking in the natural sheen and preventing decay.
After salting, skins are air-dried to stabilize their structure. Controlled airflow prevents cracking and keeps collagen fibers flexible.
Each skin is tagged with a unique serial number, its identity preserved from origin to export. These documents.
From rural workshops, the preserved skins travel to tanneries where transformation begins.
Modern tanneries combine tradition with technology to minimize environmental impact. Every process is monitored to ensure sustainability and safety.
The first step in the tannery is rehydration, bringing salted skins back to life for processing.
We look for perfect consistency in the scales. This level of craftsmanship ensures the premium grade tanning. Tanning stabilizes collagen fibers, converting raw skin into lasting leather. Modern facilities use both chrome.
Within these rotating drums, chemistry and motion bond molecules that will make the leather endure decades. Rinsing completes the transformation, from raw hide to stable leather. The new material is soft.
Next, artisans stretch the leather to standard dimensions while maintaining natural scale flow.
To achieve suppleness, the leather is tumbled in felt-lined drums. This process loosens fibers.
The contrast between the pre- and post-softening samples is remarkable. We analyze the texture, elasticity.
Color breathes personality into the leather. Dyes must penetrate evenly without masking the natural pattern. After dyeing, controlled drying fixes the color and enhances the skin's gloss. The transformation from
Finishing defines luxury. Polishing enhances the texture and seals the surface for longevity. Each different finishes give designers options, from high gloss to subtle matte. A thin, transparent seal protects against moisture while defining tone.
Every hide is examined for pattern alignment, thickness, and surface perfection. Only the most flawless pieces move forward to luxury ateliers.
Certified and cataloged, these skins are ready for their next chapter in design studios worldwide. Each carries documentation.
In ateliers across Europe and Asia, artisans receive the refined material, the start of fashion's creative face.
Stuffers. Designers study each skin, aligning sketches with its natural scales to create harmonious patterns.
Cutting is both art and engineering. Every slice must respect the skin's natural design.
Panels are aligned so that scales flow natural across seams. Symmetry gives the jacket its seamless elegance.
Stitching brings form to design. The fine thread disappears into scales, leaving only flow.
Some finishes are done entirely by hand, where touch replaces measurement.
The lining defines comfort and structure. Silk, lambskin, or high-tech blends create balance within.
Steaming settles seams and defines the jacket's natural drape. Shape and structure emerge, echoing the serpent's original fluidity.
Before branding, each piece undergoes exhaustive inspection for perfection. Symmetry, texture, and even tone are verified by trained eyes.
The brand mark signifies authenticity and heritage, a symbol of traceable artistry. Heat embossing merges identity with craftsmanship.
Every finished jacket receives certification verifying ethical origin and manufacturing compliance. Transparency transforms craftsmanship into trust.
Presentation is an extension of artistry, the first impression of luxury. Every fold,
Finished pieces rest in climate-controlled storage, awaiting transport to the world's fashion capitals. Each serial number ties back to its journey, jungle to boutique.
From factory floor to runway, each shipment follows strict documentation. Luxury has its own rhythm of precision and patience.
The global journey begins, linking remote craft centers to the fashion capitals of the world. A flight.
Upon arrival, documentation is reviewed once more to ensure ethical compliance. Luxury trade meets transparency at every checkpoint. Wait. At last, the materials arrive where imagination takes command, the designer's domain.
In boutiques, presentation becomes theater. Design meets emotion under perfect light.
What began in the depths of the forest now embodies art, discipline.
From rainforest to runway, the journey completes itself on the grand avenues of fashion.
Luxury thrives on connection, stories shared between maker and wearer. Every texture and vital touch, every detail carries a legacy. Designers see snake leather not as luxury for its own sack, but as a dialogue with nature's design.
Luxury pieces endure beyond seasons' toil, crafted to last generations. In archives, they become artifacts of cultural memory.
Ethical trade begins and ends with conservation. Wild populations are protected through monitoring and habitat programs funded by regulated trade.
Breeding programs reduce pressure on wild populations and ensure traceability. Science and empathy form the foundation of sustainability.
Sustainable industries support livelihoods for entire communities. Here, craft becomes empowerment, tradition meeting modern opportunity.
Modern tanneries invest in closed-loop systems to protect waterways. Sustainability is no longer...
Nothing is wasted. Even the smallest offcuts find new purpose in accessories or art.
The next frontier is lab-grown leather, identical in structure, but free of animal origin.
Innovation honors tradition by recreating it, cell by cell, layer by layer.
A new generation of designers embraces innovation as heritage. Their creations mirror nature, not exploit it.
Luxury evolves when conscience joins creativity. Designers, scientists, and activists collaborate to craft responsibility into beauty.
Blockchain tracking now links every step of production to its origin. Technology builds trust between maker and consumer.
Awareness grows with education. The next generation demands both ethics and elegance.
Virtual fashion expands expression without material waste. Innovation becomes imagination, limitless, sustainable, inclusive.
The story of snake leather spans centuries, from ritual symbolism to contemporary art. Respect replaces exploitation.
Across the globe, industries are converging to rethink material ethics. Sustainability is evolving. Where industry once stood, new ecosystems take root. Regeneration closes the circle between creation and care.
And so the circle returns to the wild, the source of inspiration and balance.
Today's buyers seek more than style. They seek meaning, trancy, and harmony with nature.
Education nurtures change. These young innovators reimagine luxury for a planet in transition. Creativity becomes a form of conservation.
The wisdom of handcraft must endure, not as nostalgia, but as guidance for future innovation.
We prioritize data transparency. Real-time data ensures that ethics are as visible as elegance.
Every jacket tells its journey from jungle to artistry through a simple scan. Digital storytelling connects buyer and maker directly.
Luxury brands unite to shape new ethical frameworks for the 21st century. The language of design expands to include the planet itself.
Ethical trade reinvests where it began, supporting communities that protect biodiversity. Every sale carries a contribution to conservation.
The source of luxury remains the living symbol of nature's artistry. Respecting it means understanding beauty without possession.
Across continents, every creation tells one story: the shared responsibility of beauty and care.
Backfoots, pedescents.
They say materials remember us, Toe. What do you think leather retransfer most?
When properly managed, ethical industries protect species by giving them value beyond exploitation.
Beyond fashion lies feeling, texture and tone linking wearer and world.
From the forest floor to the fashion atelier, the journey of snake leather mirrors humanity's evolving respect for nature.
Every creation begins and ends here, in the rhythm of breath, rain, and...
Even when silent, these spaces hum with the memory of hands that built, shaped, and cared.
Hands, the bridge between thought and creation, carry responsibility for balance.
From scale to stitch, from earth to elegance, the story of snake leather is the story